Alright friends, now let's look at how to compare strings. Normally, you can check strings equality inside an if condition. So for this, we have a method called equals. So this method returns a boolean value, either true or false. So we can write name and surname, string name and surname, and then I want to check they are equal or not. So I copy John here, so I paste here. So I open my if condition. I say if name, how can I use this? Name, and then after I use equals method, and then I put my surname. If they're equal, it returns true. If not, it returns false. So based on the result, we can display a message accordingly. So I open my curly braces. Inside this, I give my message system.out.println, and then I say they are equal. They are equal. Alright. So if it is not, I open my else block. So it will enter to my else block. I say they are not equal. So I copy this. I come here. I paste it. They are not equal. So that's all. So let's run this code. You see they are equal. But it's important to remember that equals is case sensitive. I mean, uppercase G and lowercase g is not, they are not equal. So if I run it, you see they are not equal appears on the screen. You can also compare things like that. Name, I use equals for comparing to surname, but it's not recommended in Java. I mean this. If I compare like that, name equals to surname. If I compare like that, it compares memory addresses, not content. So using equals is safer and more accurate for comparing string content. That's why I take it back. Alright, see you in the next lesson.